What's up, all you goofy goobers? Today we're gonna be playing Monkey Company. By the way, I got a new update, so it got a new update. So I'm just gonna play it. Well, I actually already played it. By the way, this music is a banger. You guys,
right there,
where are you at? Where's everyone at?
Are you serious? I just died.
Where's everyone
Bro,
at?
I just died.
No!
Is everyone at Grandma's house?
Oh, Grandpa's so good. He never skips legs.
That's not Grandpa. That's Grandma. That's Grandma.
That's Grandpa.
That's Grandma, you dumbass.
Illegal. Grandpa?
That's not Grandpa.
Where's Grandma?
It's Grandma.
Where's Grandpa Bong?
It's Grandma.
I think his grandma's ashes is on him.
Grandpa's not over there. Yes, he is.
I think his grandma.
I hear him.
It's Grandpa. I mean Grandma.
Grandpa?
It's Grandma.
Grandpa?
It's not Grandpa.
Grandpa,
No Grandpa.
Oh my! Heck no! Heck no!
She never skips
Heck
leg
no!
day.
He
Yeah,
never
it's a
skips leg
Grandma.
day.
It's Grandma, not Grandpa.
He's right there. Run, he's right there. He's right there.
It's a she. It's a she. It's Grandma,
Right there.
not
Oh my
Grandpa.
god!
Yeah.
It's Grandma, okay? Grandma.
I think his grandma's ashes is on him.
No, it's Grandma, not Grandpa. Grandpa's in the sewer.
His grandma's ashes is on him. That's
No,
crazy.
Grandpa's in the sewer.
Bro, he's probably dead, but his ashes are on him.
Where is she?
Grandpa's
Oh my
freaking
god,
out.
that is
He
her.
looks so goofy.
Attacked it.
Guys, jump down, jump down. We're gonna run at 3, 2, 1. Jump. Let's run. Jump.
Where's Scattertron?
The other train.
Guys,
Just jump.
Scattertron.
Oh no. Oh.
Oh my.
Is everybody alive?
Nope, not anymore.
We're right there.
Not anymore.
Get me out of the freaking ground. Oh my god. He just killed him.
Grandma.
Grandpa?
It's Grandma.
He went the other way.
Grandpa does not
He's
exist.
like freaking uncle.
He's dead.
He's retired
He's a
Spider-Man.
Janitor in school. And
No, he's a retired.
He's right-
He's
he's
a
right.
retired
Right.
Spider-Man.
Janitor that does dance. Guys,
Grandma.
hi.
Grandma, I got your cookies.
I'm not
Come
grandma.
and get me.
No. Chad.
It's Grandma.
I heard him.
It's her.
it's Poopa.
It's him. It's a guy, guys.
No, it isn't.
I asked
It's a
the freaking-
girl. Grandpa's
I asked him.
in the sewers.
Bro, I was
Probably
in the
dead.
lobby with the freaking owner of the game. He literally confirmed that it was a guy.
I got the quickest reaction time.
He's up there. He's up there. He's up here. Whoa.
He got it from the sky. Oh my god!
Yeah.
He just
Damn it.
Why is he too fast?
Wait,
He
you can't
never
close the
skips
doors
leg
anymore?
day, I swear.
Yo,
No.
why is my arm cooked? Why is my arm low-key cooked?
You guys,
happening to
I'm
my
gonna
arm, bro?
stay and
Why can I
see
move
what.
fast with it? I can move fast to my arm. My broken arm.
That's it. Powerpuff Girls has been activated.
I'm gonna touch you.
Wait, it does? That's what the timer
Touch you with
says?
every inch of my body.
It's what
Powerpuff
the-
Girls.
That's what the timer says?
Bro, I'm gonna get the Powerpuff Girls and to kill them.
Oh, y'all.
You might be a girl.
Ugly!
You might be a girl. That's how
Buddy, how did you even get up there? Bro, how did he get up there?
Yeah, it's a her. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Everyone calls him.
I'm low-key
That's a
scared.
guy, man.
They're calling
her.
her.
Grandma.
said so.
Yeah, they're calling
Grandma's
her
low-key ugly,
grandpa.
Buddy, what are you...
It's grandma.
Scared.
Bro, it's tweaking
My
out
arm is
so
low-key
hard.
cooking.
But hold up.
arm is
Good thing
tweaking
that
out so hard.
I bet I can outrun you. I bet I can outrun you in a freaking race. What?
I can
Watch
outrun
this
her in a
W.
race.
Controller?
She's mad slow.
Alright, you already got it.
Controller.
I'm gonna outrun him.
Alive.
Hang on.
Oh my god, my controller. I threw my controller.
Run.
Is the guy seriously just standing there? No. Did he just...
Oh, Grandpa went over there. What happened to Grandpa?
Are they going after me?
It's grandma.
It's Grandma.
Grandpa, guys.
Wait, you
Where's
guys-
your grandpa?
When you
It's grandpa. I mean grandma.
It's grandpa.
Grandpa lives in the
Freaking
sewers.
creator.
Grandma
Yeah.
lives
So,
in the
Grandpa
apartment.
lives in the sewers.
Yeah, because he's a disgusting rat.
Yeah, grandma ditched him.
You're watching me.
Grandma ditched him.
or he left for the milk, guys. Honestly, I think he left for the milk.
Yeah, he either left for the milk or grandma ditched
Oh my
him.
God. Yeah, we left. I think I'm cooked.
Bro, where is this dude?
It's a she.
Dude, he's just chilling at that corner.
It's grandma.
Buddy, you're good.
Oh my god.
Buddy's trying to sniff my toes. Everyone, we gotta go. We gotta get him out of here. Are you serious, bro? Are you seriously tweaking that hard? Alright, guys, we got it.
I
We
think
gotta
she is.
Get...
I think she is.
Alright, we gotta
Oi! Skibbity Rizzler!
get her across.
Maybe
Oh my god!
Oi!
Grandpa, you are tweaking.
Grandpa, stop tweaking.
It's grandma! Not grandpa!
Grandpa!
You're so fast.
You're stupid!
How is
Oh, you're stupid! Oh my god. Oh my god.
No.
Oh my god! Grandma! I'm making you feel right now. Oh my god, I'm about to get clapped. I'm playing Monkey Company right now. Grandma is right next to me. Ow! God, I just got
That actually made
killed.
no sense. I didn't even mean
It's
it.
a
to make no
game!
sense.
Monkey Company. No, monkey. It's a game.
Grandpa, Grandpa, can I?
And
Where you
I'm
at?
in
Where you at?
grandma's house
clean your
running away
toes?
from.
What are you guys? What do you mean about
You're
that?
like old. He's old and rusty.
Yeah,
and dusty.
that's what
Black
I'm
Monkey
saying.
Day. It's the blackest monkey.
If you could get the game,
Whoa.
it's free.
What do you mean?
Me and the monkey.
Run. Hey, did we watch the
It's called Monkey Company. I'm gonna have to go into app chat
I
really
obviously
quick.
missed that jump
It's
'cause I'm
free.
the absolute
And I just died.
ball.
Are you serious?
Oh
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
I have no
I
idea
missed
what
it.
that was.
Can you get can he get you up here? I mean,
He can get you on the scaffolding, but for some reason he can't get you on the balloon.
Nor the Christmas
Oh,
tree,
yeah, that's
which is
stupid.
gone.
So cool, right?
Wow.
oh man, I missed the Christmas.
I found him.
event,
I
man.
found him.
You find the naked grandpa? You
I just died.
found grandpa? Where is he? I'm gonna rinse him out. I'm gonna rinse him out.
Buddy,
One
you
second.
better run. Wait, guys, get him out of the map.
Grandpa!
Guys, let's get him into the...
Oh my god.
Oh, Grandma's coming.
Oh shit.
Bro.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna try and get him
It's her.
to the one
It's
platform
her.
scaffolding. All right, get ready. Bro, where is he? Bro, all right,
Okay,
get ready. We're
go.
gonna jump across.
Now.
Oh my god.
from
Bro,
old
Keith.
age.
He's following us.
Where's that nigga, Grandpa? I'm gonna beat that.
Oh my god, you guys, we gotta get him over
Where's
here.
nigga, Grandpa? I'm gonna beat his ass right now. I think he's dead to me.
No, he's not something.
Grandpa! Grandpa! I was so sorry.
Alright, we're almost here, guys.
Chipotle.
Please,
Buddy, are you
Grandpa.
really running?
Give me a whoop
Where'd
right
you
now.
at?
Running.
Grandpa's literally running right now, guys.
Grandpa,
Where's
you
you
there?
at?
Grandpa?
Grandpa,
Grandpa.
Grandpa, I'm one big guy. You don't want to
Bro
mess with
likes
me.
big guys.
Grandpa,
He likes big
I'm gonna
guys.
slap you in the face. I'm gonna die in the old age.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ice cream.
Grandpa,
Ew.
die right
I'm
now.
gonna slap him. I'm gonna poop on him.
Grandpa.
Oh shit. Oh, she's gonna be here in
Sniff,
3,
sniff.
2.
I
She's
smell
gonna
some
be in 3,
toes.
2, 1.
You hear that?
Alakazam.
You hear that, Grandpa? I smell some toes.
I smell. You smell that,
I
guys?
smell some
I
cocaine
smell some
from
toes.
Grandpa.
I smell your
smell
toes,
some
man.
cocaine from Grandpa.
Nuh-uh.
Cookies.
You can't. Grandpa, I'm gonna come over there and sniff your toes myself if you don't come over here.
Okay. Yeah?
Hi, Right, you made me do this, Grandpa.
Bro needs to sleep tight tonight.
Grandpa. Grandpa.
Trying to sleep tight.
Where is Grandpa, man?
Grandpa.
No, Grandpa! Grandpa, too!
No, Grandpa. Grandpa.
Why, Ma?
People?
Mama?
Oh god.
I lose it.
Oh god.
Mama? Go downstairs.
Grandpa?
Oh shit.
Can I play this one bit? Okay.
Grandpa, I'm about to sniff your toes.
I don't think.
No!
Oh god. Hello? He can get you.
I'm gonna hit out my speed.
Oh my god. I got stuck. I freaking got stuck.
Oh my god. 1 second and I died. I'm sleeping.
Grandpa, we're just kids.
Bro,
Tell me.
Grandpa,
It's
we're
Grandma.
just kids.
We're your grandson.
Hurry.
maybe
We're your grandson.
It's Grandpa, guys. Oh my
it's Grandma.
What the?
People need to understand this. It's Grandpa. The owner even says
Wow.
so.
No, Grandpa's in the sewers.
Grandpa. Oh, so there's Grandma's in the basement. Grandma's in the basement baking some
Yeah.
cookies. Like
Oh
that
yeah, I
cake.
want some of them cookies.
Hey, you.
Hey, Grandma, can you
Yeah,
bake me up
cooking.
some of them cookies?
Yeah,
Cookie,
but
cookie,
Grandpa's
bro.
keeping her in there so he can get all the cookies for himself.
Sandwich.
No.
Oh,
Grandpa's
that's not cool, man.
come
That's not cool.
in the cookies.
We need to get this cookie.
Grandpa, I will
He come in the
find you
cookies.
and fight you myself. No.
I mean,
Right there.
Grandpa put drugs in the cookies.
Grandpa, you are so weak and scared. Scared.
Grandpa, I'm gonna whoop you in the ass.
It's time that I get back with all those wooden spoons.
Grandpa!
What
Forgot to gaming. You forgot to buy me robots. It was my birthday.
God, it's right.
Grandpa, where are you? Grandpa, where are you, man?
Grandpa! Grandpa!
Grandpa.
I want my robots.
You wanna?
You forgot my birthday.
Robux.
Grandpa,
Grandpa, I'm gonna use my bell on your
I heard
ass.
Grandpa.
Grandpa! Grandpa, this is not funny.
Bro, I'm scared.
Grandpa, do you,
Fuck all you.
Grandpa, do you live up here?
Grandpa!
yeah.
I'm gonna snip that ass. I'm gonna whoop that
Grandpa,
ass.
do you live in this $2 apartment?
Grandpa!
Grandpa's right there.
Bro, it's going.
Snip.
Yeah?
Grandpa.
Oh,
Snip the
can I record this
footsteps.
video really quick? Yo, Yo, bro. Can you tell that I'm recording a video right now?
Yeah. Rufus now kills. Rufus kills.
Grandpa, is that you? Grandpa, get me! I'm gonna whoop your ass!
I juked him.
Oh my God! Grandpa, you realize that you're so annoying. First
I juked Grandpa.
Put my pants.
Alright, let's go.
Grandpa, he's fucking no
Grandpa,
kids.
you, bro, there was someone right there. You could have got.
Grandma?
Why did you?
Grandma, you here?
He's a BBC those kids over there.
Grandma, you here?
Who is BB?
Grandpa?
Grandpa,
Where are you, man?
Grandpa,
What does BBB
Grandpa,
stand
what
for?
Oh my gosh, my legs are so itchy,
BBB?
man.
Grandpa, I killed one Robux. You forget about it.
Grandpa, give me Robux. Grandpa, give me Robux.
Grandpa,
Grandpa, give me
Yeah, I
Robux.
need
die.
Robux.
Grandpa,
I need Robux so I
Grandpa,
can get the
Robux.
furry set.
Grandpa, give me Robux. Grandpa, Wait, guys, guys.
I'm pooping up.
I hope you die in a fire.
Grandpa, give me
Rufus
Robux.
falls in the toilet.
Give me Robux. Grandpa, give me your toes.
We've
Give me
come
your
for your
toes.
toes. We've come for your toes.
I'm sorry. Grandpa, you gotta have to whoop it. You gotta have to whoop it.
Oh,
God. You can whoop my ass.
Nah, that dude's
whoop
cooked.
my ass. Oh, he's gonna whoop my ass.
We're safe, don't worry.
Go right up your nose.
Wait, you wouldn't hit a woman, would you? That's a woman.
That's a woman.
We're good.
That's a woman.
Wait, can I please finish this video?
Who's the woman? Who's the woman? Who's the woman?
You, Grandpa. You're stupid as
You wouldn't hit a woman.
Bro used a spoon
Who's the
and
woman?
called it a fork.
Where's that woman?
And then when he actually found a
Who is the
fork,
woman?
he called it a
What
twerk.
the fuck is that woman? I'm gonna
Grandpa.
clap the cheek.
I gotta
You're
teach,
in the cold.
I gotta teach
face.
Grandpa how to
You're in the
do the
cold.
gritty.
So we just gotta. Oh,
Yeah, he has to do a good
Also, we gotta make him nice. He's chummy.
Bro.
Yeah, we gotta teach
We
him
gotta
how to
make him a
emote, guys.
Nazi.
We gotta
make
give
him
him
a
his
Nazi.
pills.
Guys, it's right there.
Please.
It's right there. It's right there.
Grandpa, where are your toes?
Grandpa.
KSI, man.
Yes, sir.
Footstep of yours.
Logan Paul.
Shit on the floor like
KSI
that.
and Logan Paul.
This is KSI.
He has died here on the floor.
Logan Paul.
Listen,
Shit on the floor.
I'm in the thick of
This is
it.
from-
Everybody
Put-
knows
put-
they know me when I
put
know
the
I
hands
do.
in the
And
air.
they roll.
This is
I
my
don't know
station.
nothing but nice. I'm just
Neighbor.
police on the
Somebody was the mole.
Grandpa, I'm gonna kick that toe.
Give me my cookie.
Don't
get touched by Grandpa.
Grandpa smells like
Get touched by P. Diddy.
Okay. Let's
You guys, let's go to forest. Everyone go to forest.
Fuck you. I mean, fuck you, Grandpa.
Forest.
Grandpa, I will clap
nah,
you out.
I
No,
my
let's go
real
to forest.
Where the
That's
heck
my
is
real
he, Grandpa?
We're gonna go see Rufus.
In a moment.
He can kill us now. Rufus can kill us now.
Sail boy.
Yeah.
Sail boy.
Huh.
Let's go
Bless
get
me.
touched by P. Diddy or
boy.
What the?
Go to forest. Go to
Me,
forest.
are you
Rufus
here?
can kill you now.
If you're
Come here,
here,
Diddy.
touch blue ass.
Rufus.
I'll do it. I'll get touched.
The dog in here. He's a forest dog.
You actually had to die here.
Oh, this is my first time
Oh.
seeing this update, so
Eh. I'm surprised you don't know Rufus the dog. By the
I
way,
haven't been
if you
in-
hear screaming, run. That's Rufus. He pretty darn scary.
can he climb trees?
He pretty darn scary.
Can
By
he
the way,
climb
he's
trees?
kind of disguised
There
as
it
a
is.
tree.
Found you. Found you.
He's kind of disguised as a tree. So if you see two bright lights moving around,
If you see
let's go see.
two white, run.
Oh,
What is that? What is that? What is
hold
that?
on, I'm gonna go get more people.
What is what?
Everyone, go to
here?
the forest.
What is it?
Okay, let's just go back to Grandpa.
I'm gonna change my
They're
outfit
inside the
real
hotel.
quick.
They're inside the
I need
hotel.
a new.
Where's everyone at?
hotel. They're in hotel.
No, I thought they said they were gonna
Grandma's house.
go to.
Grandpa's house. Grandpa.
I thought it was Grandma's house. We're gold.
Because he has muscles. You're jealous that he has.
You guys, I'm recording a video right now for my YouTube channel.
Do it for free.
Me.
I'll do it for -0
You, dude!
And
K6T! Hold up.
me, K6T.
Where are you?
Bro,
Wait, you?
run.
Wait, K6T, where are you?
Where are you?
What was that?
I'm
What
lost.
was?
I'm in a bunch of stairs.
Wait, K6T?
Yo, what is that?
K6T?
Noise.
You!
Yo, hey. Grandpa. God.
Hold up.
Scared the hell out of me.
Hold on, let me check something, okay?
Hey, let's go get.
Yeah,
some
let's
by Rufus.
everyone go to forest.
Yeah. Who?
Could you teach me how to play, please?
I'm gonna go to forest once I change my color.
Oh, by the way, dude, I'm
Different
leaving in
color.
about like 2 minutes. So let's go get.
Wait, can we friend each other? Can we friend each other?
Oh my god.
Go to forest. Go to forest. Everyone, go to forest. Go to forest. Go to forest.
What's your user?
Let's go to forest. Let me put it as my username.
Tiny green Soviet.
Lion.
Oh my god!
I need to touch
Yes,
grass.
we need to go touch grass, we
Okay,
brothers.
sit down.
I'm here.
What is that?
Alright, touch grass, guys.
Behind you, actually.
Touch grass.
I'm gonna go.
Who the hell is
my
that?
hand.
Who is that? Who's that black net?
I just pooped
Who's
my.
that?
3 hours.
Who's that
Bro,
black
what is
monkey?
that over there? What is that? I'm gonna go to it.
It's my
That's
chair.
Rufus, bro.
Is that
New
black
Year's.
Rufus?
That's Rufus.
What is that? What?
Black Rufus?
Eyes.
We're about to. You Rufus,
Message
we just want to
someone.
ask you about your course at
Black
Stinson.
Rufus,
It's right
keep
there.
going,
It's right there.
Yeah, I
What is
think
that?
bright white
It's right
eyes,
there. It's right there.
That's
some
actually
beautiful
calm.
white eyes. I
That's
kind of just
actually
wanna.
calm.
Yo, I just saw.
Those eyes are calm.
Guys,
Calm.
it's down
His
there.
eyes are so
Calm.
pretty. I just want to get lost in his
Wait,
eyes.
K6C, where are you? K6C?
Bro, where
Yeah.
did he even go?
Rufus,
down there.
Can I switch
Down
my
there.
name?
come get some food.
Oh, I
Can you
found-
teach me how to switch my name?
I think
These
that's
monkeys
Seal.
are food.
Taught me.
Come get them.
What the heck
I think
is
I
Where are we
that?
supposed to go, guys?
He has
Right,
two
guys.
white glowing eyes.
Okay.
Tree.
He has two white
Rufus,
glowing eyes.
Come get your
Lights.
cocaine. Go get your.
If you hear grass sounds, run.
I don't know why I'm not talking.
Don't say that.
Oh my god! I don't have any light
Click
sources,
your B
guys. I'm
button.
blind.
I might be cooked.
A button, never mind. Click the A button. The A button on your right
How
controller.
long is this fucking tree, bro?
It's right
I'm
there.
gonna get
Oh,
some
right
light,
there.
my
guys.
cock.
Don't
Right
worry,
there.
I'll
Oh,
be
it's right
back.
there.
Bro, I'm scared.
One back. One back.
Somebody just
One back, monkey boy.
run.
Cassie?
See ya, guys.
Watch the wizard.
Slide.
Watch the
Where's that go fast?
Go.
What?
God, go. What'd you say?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Could you switch my name, please?
Gotta go fast.
Oh my goodness, I'm back alive.
Go to Grandma's
Time to
house.
get some- time to get cocaine cookies from grandma.
Grandma's house.
Yeah, that's it, Grandma. It's,
Grandma's house.
Time to go to
Grandma.
grandma.
whoa! What's with all these doors, man?
I like my suitcase.
Yeah, that was cook.
No, I don't like that. I don't like that at all.
No,
I don't.
go there. I like my
What?
suitcase.
I like my trees, Jip. I like my.
I
trees
like my
dripping.
cheese
I like my
moldy.
trees. I like my trees.
I like my
like
drip
my cheese
cheesy.
ball.
I like my.
I like my cheese. Come.
Whatever that is, it's not okay.
Okay, I got
Bullshit. Oh my god.
Is that the meat man?
Naked grandpa?
Is that the meat man? Don't you dare touch my balls.
It will kill you.
I got
Bro, he's so big.
you. Meat man.
Chunky?
I promise you. I promise you.
Anthem?
Fortnite card. I promise you. I will give you Fortnite card.
Bro's got
I
no
got
bitches.
3 hours until New Year's for me.
Are you?
No, you
Bro's
can't
got no
touch me,
bitches.
little boy. Do not touch me. Oh, I have to do this to you. Take the L, little
What
bro.
are you doing?
Take the L, little bro.
Bro,
Take
he's
the L, little
done.
bro. Yes, skinny cheer. Yes, skinny
Maybe that's
cheer.
kind of broken. Now that he's out of there, let's go in
Let's go to
here.
Grandma's house. Cassie?
Grandpa's house.
Let's go to.
Oh my god.
I didn't
Go
even
to.
get a jump
I got a
scare,
jump
dude.
scare.
Stupid guy.
Hey guys, let's
Anytime
go
I
to the
look at
sex
that weird
potion.
monster, I get tingles.
Grandpa's
Guys,
house.
let's go to the
Who
sex
got the
potion.
Snackle vitamin?
Slap those cheeks like nothing. Now I'm about to do to you, boy.
Bro, that's just seriously giving me tingles.
Hey,
Weird tingles that I don't like. Oh my gosh.
L.
What the thing? I felt the breath. Go scary.
Cassie? K16.
I changed my name.
Elbows into that dude. Elbows into that dude.
You wanna go?
No
into
private
Watch
lobby.
this, guys. All right, I'm gonna go touch
You
him.
wanna go into the private server?
black
Oh my
people.
god.
Someone sacrifice.
I'm gonna name him Bulbasaur.
No.
Private server.
Yeah,
Get up here. It's safe.
Hey, stupid monster. Look, I could feel the wind in him.
get up the little staff.
He's right inside of you. He's right there.
Oh, shh, bobs.
Yeah,
Hey, do not come over here. Hey, do not. Hey, y'all better not
I'm
come
right
over
here.
here.
I don't like what I'm
Say
looking.
that. Hey, go back. Go back.
Mm-hmm.
This is my. This is my territory.
Bulbasaur, where is his hair? What?
Bro, that's a smelly old piece of poo.
His hair?
That's a smelly old piece of poo.
Something's
What
coming.
do we do?
It's a smelly piece of grandpa poo.
Get out of there, guys.
It's a smell of shit.
I said no. No, no.
That guy is joking.
It's penalized. Go, guys. We gotta stop.
Look at it,
It's
go here.
penalized. But it's fucking weak.
Wait, y'all, why don't we just use the second entrance?
Yeah, the second entrance.
Yeah.
The second entrance is over here.
Wait, what?
What?
Oh wait. Okay. Well, that's what I gotta go, guys. So see you
Go,
guys in another video.
Bro, that guy's really gonna kick my toes.
Let him cook. Get back!
Let him out of his feet now, bro.
Stupid.
Don't let that dude stick your toes. That's smelly old piece of poo.
Okay, that's it for the video, guys. See you later.
Rusty piece of hairy old poo.
You better stay.
Beware of